In this lesson, we are going to start to customize the text on our page. To see how this works, select the heading element here by clicking on it. After selecting the heading element, double-click on the text to enter Text Edit mode. Once in Text Edit mode, delete the current text using the Delete key on your keyboard. Finally, use the keyboard to type in the words To-Do list. Next, let's start to add some to-dos to the table here. To do this, double-click on the text in the table and then update the text. For example, I can update the title of the column in my table. I can relabel the column to do item. This column will be used to store the list of my to-dos. Next, let's update the second line of text to enter in a to-do. In my case, I'm going to type in walk the dog. If I want to add a new row to my table, I can click on this cell here, and then using the breadcrumb trail, I can navigate to my table element here. I can then click the cog icon here to expand the table properties box and click Add Table Row. This will add a new row to my table. I can then close down the table's properties box by clicking the cross here. Finally, I can update the text for this second row to say something like Run App Launch Program. This will be my second to-do. These are just examples of the data that can be displayed. I can add any number of additional rows or columns to my table to show additional information. Pause the video now and update the text for the title element here. Then update the text for the column title, and finally add one to-do to your table as I have done here. Then use the table properties box to add an additional row to your table and add a second to-do just as I have done here. Once you're done, click the Build Code button, and when your code has finished building, go over to the live application and hit the refresh button here. This will allow you to see the updates that you've made to your page in your live app.